everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to activate and watch JioCinema on any smart TV for free. It's quick, easy and you'll be enjoying your favorite movie shows in no time. So let's get started. First, let's make sure your smart TV is compatible with the JioCinema app. Most modern smart TVs running on Android TV, Tizen or WebOS support the app. If your TV is relatively new, you should be good to go. Now, install the JioCinema app, turn on your smart TV and navigate to the App Store. This could be Google Play Store, Samsung Smart Hub or LG Content Store depending on your TV's operating system. In the search bar, type JioCinema and hit search. When you find the app, click on Install to download and install it on your TV. Once the app is installed, you might need to log in or sign up for a JioCinema account if you haven't already. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one using your Jio mobile number or email address. After logging in, you might need to activate your JioCinema app. Here's how to do it. Open the JioCinema app on your TV. A code will be displayed on your screen. On your mobile or computer, open a web browser and go to jiocinema.com/activate or log in with your Jio account if prompted. Enter the code displayed on your TV screen and click submit. Once you submit the code, your JioCinema app on the TV will be activated. You'll now have access to a vast library of movies, TV shows and more. And that's it. You can now watch JioCinema on your smart TV for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.